But speaking of spring, well, you know what? It has officially arrived. And with warmer months ahead, it is time for us to start planning to clean away winter grime, both inside and outside in the garden. So here with some timely tips is contractor and co-host of the hit show, Catch a Contractor. We have Skip Bodell. Welcome, Skip.
Hey, good morning, Melissa. Thank you so much for having me. And yeah, happy spring to everybody.
Yeah, absolutely, right? Got my flowers on. I'm celebrating. But you know, with spring comes the spring cleaning. So where do we even begin when it comes to beginning to clean out our houses?
Yeah, so I don't know about you, but I don't like to clean, so I want to get it done as quickly and effectively as possible, and that's why I love Rubbermaid commercial quality cleaning products. You get it done like the pro. You get it done efficiently and fast, like this new Wave Break mop bucket. This thing has a floor drain on it, unlike anything else. It allows you to never pick it up and dump it. You just press the bucket, it drains out off the bottom, very easy to use. They make a commercial grade push broom, which is awesome for sweeping the driveways, garage, patio pavers. It has a fiberglass handle, which means it's super strong but very lightweight. So you get the job done effectively like a pro, so you can move on to other things. After you get the floors cleaned up, I love their new microfiber job site towel. So this is a microfiber towel that you can use for dusting, cleaning. You can basically absorb anything with it, even grease and oil. But Melissa, the best part about this is that you can throw it in the laundry, wash it, and reuse it hundreds of times over and over again. So that's a really great product for your spring cleaning. And you know, after you get it clean, like I said, I don't want to clean it again, right? I want to keep it clean. So I love this product. I've been using it for everything in my house. This is the Infinity Shield Spray. So basically what this is, it's not a cleaner, it's a sealer. It puts a protective barrier on whatever you clean. So for instance, you could put a hose on this. You can spray your entire house. I know out by you guys have a lot of Spanish tile roofs. They get black. You got to power wash them. Get your roof cleaned, clean the house, clean your driveway, your pavers. When it's clean, spray this on. It'll stay clean. No more mildew stains, no more mold stains. This stuff is absolutely amazing. It puts a protective barrier on everything you spray it on. It's environmentally friendly. It's water-based, non-toxic, biodegradable. So you can spray it on everything, even your fabrics. It's safe for the plants. Take it in the house and spray it on your kitchen, your bathroom. Everything you can spray this on, it's really unbelievable stuff, because the bottom line is it keeps it clean longer. And after you get all that cleaning done, you want to move outside to the yard, right? So are you guys ready for yard work now? We're getting ready for the warm weather.
Yeah, okay. Well, tell me about the yard work. I tell you what, I am so impressed with the spray that you just got done sharing with us. When you started talking about using it in the shower, I'm like, yes, please, thank you. I'm so tired of continuously having to try to keep the mildew away all the time. That is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. But help me with outside.
Clean the grout.
Yes.
Yeah, clean the grout in the shower, spray it on. You won't have to clean the grout again. Okay, so get outside. I love Ego outdoor power equipment. It all runs on 56-volt rechargeable batteries. Runs all their tools: lawnmower, leaf blower, weed trimmer. Look at this self-propelled lawnmower. It's all, hear how quiet it is? Battery operated, no more gas engines, no more exhaust and loud noises. Unbelievable power from a 56-volt rechargeable battery. Ego gets all the lawn work done really easy with their battery operated tools. They just came out with this brand new product. It's called the Nexus Power Station. I love this thing. It just came out now, so look it up online. Nexus Power Station from Ego gives you 3,000 watts of portable power, like a gas power generator, only battery operated. So it's completely silent. You can even operate it inside the house. It's amazing.
Wow.
Once you get all that lawn stuff done, Melissa, I don't know about you, but I like to get in the garden and trim up my bushes, my plants, make it look nice, you know, prune it up nice. Fiskars makes the best hand garden tools in the industry, hands down, because they have this gear system. It's a Power Gear 2. The gear does all the work, so you don't have to try so hard. So watch this. The Power Gear does all the work. Let me cut this branch with a power. It's so simple with that gear. It does all the work for you. If you're going to get out in your garden this spring and do any garden work, you're going to want to make sure you get Fiskars garden tools.
Skip, I am blown away. I mean, you have so many awesome suggestions here, and I'm impressed too with how many are also eco-friendly as well. So, I mean,
yes.
Wow, the options are endless with you, my friend. Where do our viewers go for more information?
Absolutely. Go to skipbodell.com. Check out my website for links to all these great products, and I got a bunch of other stuff that'll help you get ready for spring this year.
Skip, thank you so much. I'm ready, and I took a lot of mental notes, so thank you. Thank you for preparing.
Happy spring.
You too.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.